BMC Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani has spoken about the Ghatkopar hoarding collapse incident and said that the rescue operation has been completed. He stated that there is an active petrol pump, which is why the rescue operation was delayed. He also further stated that Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has ordered to check all the hoardings to avoid such incidents in the future. He also added that all the hoardings need a structural stability certificate and they need to follow the specifications of size, foundation and wind velocity which passes through to provide the necessary stability. 3 more hoardings are being removed, informed by the BMC Commissioner. Let's in fact listen in.
हिंदी में सर। हाँ, मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि अत्यंत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना यहाँ पे हुई है जिसमें 16 लोगों की मौत हुई है। अभी भी 42 लोग हॉस्पिटल में इंजर्ड जो दाखिल है उनके ऊपर हमारी मेडिकल की टीम, आरोग्य की टीम कार्रवाई कर रही है। यहाँ पे जो ये दुर्घटना हुई है उसका बचाव कार्य अब ख़त्म हो गया है। यहाँ पे अभी आप जो देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे मलबा हटाने का काम चल रहा है, वो पूरे दिन चलेगा। इसमें विलंब होने का कारण ये है कि यहाँ पे एक्टिव पेट्रोल पंप था और यहाँ पे फ्यूल स्टोरेज था, तो इसीलिए हमारे जो सब लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये बचाव कार्य में सहभागी हुए थे उनमें काफ़ी मर्यादाएं थी, क्योंकि यहाँ से बहुत संभाल के काम करना पड़ता था। तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मुंबई महापालिका, MMRDA, NDRF, मुंबई पुलिस, BPCL, महानगर गैस, इन सब एजेंसियों ने तालमेल रख के यहाँ पे बहुत ही संभाल के काम किया है और ये होर्डिंग का जो बचाव कार्य है यह अभी पूर्ण हो गया है। इसके तहत माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने हमें आदेश दिया है कि मुंबई के सभी होर्डिंग्स की जांच की जाए जो हमने की है, और जो होर्डिंग्स स्पेसिफिकेशन जो हमने डिसाइड करके दिए हैं तज्ञ लोगों ने, वो स्पेसिफिकेशन जैसे अगर उसमें से कोई भी डेविएशन होगा तो सब होर्डिंग को नोटिस जाएगी, फिर वो
there you heard it, viewers. Meanwhile, so of course we've heard the statements that have been made. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Prathamesh. So we've heard the statements that have been made. Of course, the rescue operation has completed, and there seems to be a lot of caution. That the government is now taking as far as hoardings are concerned. They're of course talking about the wind, they're talking about the structure. So of course that there's a lot that's taking place after this shocking incident. In fact, 3 more hoardings have been removed is what we're learning at this point of time. Give our viewers more details on this. How, what kind of measures are being inculcated?
I want to tell the viewers that 2 days before this, the big billboard has been collapsed on a petrol pump, on a Bharat petrol pump was there, and it was collapsed on it, and there was around like 90 to 92 people who were stuck under that, and in that 16 people has lost their lives in that. And after that, at the same is the day of incident, CM Eknath Shinde has also visited the site, and he assured that the initiation will take place as well as the audit of other holdings will also take place. And today we got to know after 48 hours of this operation, the operation is successfully completed by NDRF, BMC, fire brigades, and also the police, as also the policemen were present on the site. And the operation is successfully completed, and 16 innocent people has lost their life. So this shouldn't be happen. So CM Eknath Shinde has given a strict orders to do the audit of all the billboards in Maharashtra as well as in Mumbai, because in the first windstorm this big incident has took place, and this many more are going to come over here. And this many more are going to come over in Mumbai, as this was the first windstorm, and this incident shouldn't happen again. So the audit is issued, and also just beside the incident took place, and also just beside the Eastern Express Highway. BMC has also issued the notice to remove this all the 3 billboards and demolish it. All the notices is been given, and to the owners, and also the there will be some criteria to construct a billboard so that the wind and so that such incident shouldn't be take place again, because in this incident 16 innocent people has lost their lives and FIR is been registered on this incident, and further details we need to wait as the police investigation is going on.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.